What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from Palm Beach in Aruba. This is the west side of the island where many of the resorts that you guys will be staying at when you come to Aruba. We're going to walk around Palm Beach and then we're going to head to the nightlife scene down there after hours. So we're going to go check out the nightlife, but first we're going to start out on Palm Beach. Let's do it. So here's a look at the activities that they have. Island tours. I'm going to be doing actually the Jeep tour, the island tour of La Palm, so stand by for that. New pirate ship, yeah.
I don't even got a one. I rented a combo was bigger than this. Yeah, I might even get
this. Sunset Cruise. We got a sunset on Day Palm up here. And here's a look at Palm Beach just after sunset. I decided to stop in and get a lobster tail grilled on the barbecue. All right, after a delicious dinner, I decided to head downtown and see what's going on after the sun has gone down. Yes, they have buses down here in Aruba. There goes the party bus. It's the actual party bus. Get it. Aruba, right outside of Smokey Joe's. We got the Hyatt Regency right here. Several other resort hotels right here. We got Texas de Brazil, Pizza Napoli, douchey bagels and burgers. Supposedly this word douchey is common out here, but it's castaways. Anyways, I'm gonna walk around at night. I think it's, you know, middle of the week. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like down here in Palm Beach at night. If you guys are excited about this video, give a shout out. Casablanca Jewelry. That guy right there gave me the information that I needed. So shout out to Casablanca Jewelry for helping me with this video. La Hacienda. We got a little walking area right here, kind of little souvenir trinkets kind of area. Hello. But you can see there's lots of people out here. Texas and Brazil is a real popular place. I'm not going to go all the way up in there because I want to keep this tour moving straight down. I would like to say be careful on the water today, or every day, because there was an accident today at the beach. I'm not going to go into details, but respect to the family. would say definitely be careful when you do water activities anywhere in the world, but here in Aruba, make sure you wear all the safety equipment that they ask you to wear and take all the necessary precautions, especially as parents. So we've got a little shopping area here. I'll kind of show you what's down here if you need to get a watch or something. There's actually going to be a lot going on down here. Not just here at the clock tower, because this is where TGI Fridays is, but this whole area. It's kind of like a promenade. Thankfully they do have an ATM. Now at this ATM you can get 2 different currencies. It just depends on what you need to get. Let me just actually kind of cruise around here, show you what this little promenade around the clock tower at TGI Fridays does look like. As you saw on the road, it's a lot more busy, but it's worth showing you. Now, this area is literally just off the beach. So, got Iguana Cantina Mexican food. If you're staying in this area, whether you're at the Ritz, the Marriott, the Hilton, the Rue, whatever you're at, you're going to notice you're going to be right in the heart of, for the most part, where the resorts are. So, this area I'm walking around is not the main capital, Irausquan. This is Palm Beach. This is where most of the big resorts are that people go to. Look at this. Crunchy Cone, McDonald's. You got a little Mickey D's down here for the kids. Just to put things into perspective, there's the Holiday Inn Resort, which is basically right there on the water. They do have these party buses that cruise around here. Now, here in Aruba, by the way, they speak 4 languages. There's Iguana Cantina. They speak the local language, which don't even ask me how to pronounce it. Then they also speak French and Dutch, Spanish, English. Maybe they don't speak so much French, but Dutch. This is more of a Dutch place. So there's the View rooftop restaurant. You can see right there. Perla d'Italia. North Pub and Grill. Tomorrow I'm going on 2 different cruises. Or well, no. Tomorrow I'm going on a tour. I think I'm going to an island. I have to look at all my paperwork, but I'm going to an island tomorrow. And then the next day, early in the morning, I'm going on an off-roading tour. So it's like knowing what they have going on out here. But that's the reason why I'm here, to help unpack all of that, give you guys some ideas. Here's Radisson Blu. We'll go across the street here. Tommy Hilfiger. Yeah, so that's why I'm here, is to unpack some of this stuff. Thank you. For you guys, because I know you guys want to know what's going on. There's Iguana Joe's. I ran a poll on the channel. I said, where do you guys want me to go in the Caribbean? Number 1 was Turks and Caicos. Number 2 was Aruba. So I then asked another question. I said, okay, since I've already done Turks and Caicos, where do you want me to go next? Surprisingly, after I had already booked the trip here to Aruba, there's the Radisson Blu. You guys came on here and told me that you wanted me to go to Jamaica now. So I had already booked the trip. I'm gonna do this side here. I might even head down to the water. The water was quite nice. Very gentle waves, nice sunset, soft sand. Perfect out here in Palm Beach. That's the name of the beach. This road here is Irausquan. But yeah, be happy, you know. So this is the main area. I'm actually staying at the Marriott while I'm here because I am a member of Bonvoy. I'm also a member of... Hello. Good. Pizza and tacos. One, all for one. So you can make everyone happy. Pizza and tacos. But like right here, Holiday Inn, all these resorts, right on the water. The Marriott over there is a little bit bigger than the one I'm staying at. I'm actually staying at the Courtyard. So please don't think that I'm staying at the big one that's $1,000 a night, because I don't quite have that kind of budget. But this area that we just walked through, guess what it's called? Little Switzerland. Cool name. I'll have to show you the party bus when it comes. Oh, it's got cinemas. Aruba's basically, especially in Palm Beach, basically like how Miami should be for families. Like if you needed a perfect family getaway. But the funny thing is, you know, Aruba probably made itself on the map mostly because it was affordable, and now it's no longer affordable. Well, it's not as affordable. I mean, $200 to $300 a night for a cheap hotel. So these ones on the beach, $400 to $500 on the cheap end, upwards of over $1,000 on the high end. Here you have the sign. All right, we are now on the other side where there's more activities, more shopping and stuff. Look at this, I love Aruba. It's like a brand name. It's like a store. I think they even have a Facebook group, so you can look them up on Facebook if you're trying to come to Aruba. Actually got a lot of information off those Facebook groups. You can ask anything about coming here. They got lots of jewelry down here. Jewels and diamonds. People must love to shop for jewels and diamonds. Or like some guy, guys must love buying diamonds for their girls when they get here. So because it's Dutch, they have this like Moulin Rouge kind of windmill thing going, as you can see. Look at this. Dutch pancakes. I'll probably go there for breakfast, huh? Milkshakes and waffles. Casa Tua. Like I was telling you guys earlier, there's these party buses. I haven't seen any yet. I mean, if I was to compare this area to West Palm Beach and, say, Miami, like Palm Beach, Aruba versus Palm Beach, Florida, I'm going Palm Beach, Aruba, yo, for real. And I'm not even just saying that. Now, That dude and his bike was horrible. That was a turtle sound. He's riding a quad through here. People do those Segway tours. Don't worry, guys. You will be seeing plenty of beach action on this channel. In fact, I'll probably link to some of the Aruba videos that I'm going to be making below. I've already got tons of footage of the beach. Okay. Remix. Yeah. Razor. RZR. Razor. There's the Hilton. Oh shoot, I walked right by the Hilton. I was looking for that. Here we go. AZA. We got these casinos here that everyone loves to go to. Get the Bad Beat jackpot. How are you guys enjoying this? If you're enjoying it, smash the likes. Hit the like button if you're enjoying it. If you're not, then don't do anything. Just sit there. I figure if you've come this far, you at least had to have appreciated something. Or you're just like, this guy creates the worst content. I just want to watch how bad it is for 15 minutes. Or however long we're into this video, I don't even know. The Hilton Aruba Caribbean Resort and Casino. See, if you were a member of the Hilton Honors Program, you might get a rewards points for that. I'll tell you what, I've saved some serious money. Like I saw like a Hilton one time in Sarasota was going for like 500 bucks. I just used 40,000 points. So it's like if 40,000 points, I think they give you 80,000 or 120,000 points. It's like that's a $500 credit. Look at this. Fat Tuesday. Okay. This is Fat Tuesdays, by the way. This camera that I use does not have panning, but anyway, I'm now headed towards the Courtyard Marriott, and we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. I'm probably gonna hop in the jacuzzi, cool off a little bit. It's been a hot day. There's the roof. This is where I actually began my initial introduction to the beach. Thanks for watching, guys, and watch some more of these videos.